Hi, I'm Sergeant First Class Chris Tollett, Marketing NCO for the Arkansas National Guard. Joining me here today is Sergeant First Class Anthony Rusnak, the soon-to-be Marketing NCO for the Guard here in Arkansas, taking over my spot. And what we're going to talk about today is the NCSA program and some of the ways that you can really maximize your footprint in your local media.
So how would you even get started trying to get on local media, TV, radio?
All right, so just like anything else in recruiting, it's good to get out of your office. All right, you're not going to make any new friends sitting in your office. The people aren't going to come to you and beg you to come be on their airwaves, right? So you've got the NCSA program, which softens the battlefield for you a little bit. Our state broadcasters associations are working with their member affiliates, reaching out to them to encourage them to accept content from the National Guard, to play our spots in more advantageous places. So using that, you could use that as a bridge to step in there and to ask them for on-air time.
Is this AM, FM, iHeartRadio? What is this? Like when you say broadcast?
Yeah, so any of your AM, FM stations, or even your television stations, your local affiliates, they've got to fill a certain number of hours per week and per day. I mean, you think about it. You're sitting in a 3-hour block of time where you've got to talk the whole time. I'd love for somebody to come in and say a few words. So it's a good opportunity to just make some relationships with some people at the stations and step in there and get that done.
Let me ask you this. When you say step in there, so am I going to have to go to the radio station and do, hey, this is Sergeant Rusnak with the Arkansas National Guard? Or is there like NGB can spots that I could say, hey, radio station, if you will, play this?
You can do both. You can do both. We can't buy any advertising. Okay, that's through the NCSA program. We can't buy any advertising on local radio or television. And you can dig more into the regulation, and I'm sure the course will cover that. But what you can do is you can get a lot of on-air time. You can get as much on-air time as you want, and whoever you or your battalion trusts to go in there and give your message, they should be able to step in there and do that if you've got those relationships and can get on air.
Now, is that something that I need to go to the PAO for if I'm going to go to the radio?
On a state-by-state basis, yeah, you should. You should definitely let the PAO know if you're going to be trying to talk out on the air. Okay. That could cross over with some of the messaging that they're trying to do. But once you've got a good relationship with your PAO and they trust you, they may let the reins go a little bit.